Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today I'm showing you my dynamic effort lower body workout. I started off with safety squat bar, box squats, 12 sets of 215 pounds on the bar, and we have about 100 pounds, maybe 110 pounds of band attached to it. Like I said, 12 sets of 30 to 45 second rest. Like I said in a previous video, if you do want to try this and have really strict rest periods, start out with the top end of your rest and gradually knock off a couple of seconds, even if it's 3 seconds. If you knock off 3 seconds every set, by the end of it, that's 36 less seconds you'd be resting on the final set. So it really works if you want to get a lot of work in a short period of time. The only thing that I suggest is you don't try and really just make your goal how fast you could do it. Remember, the goal is still to accelerate. So if you need a couple of seconds as a breather to make sure you do have that acceleration, then take those extra couple of seconds. Now here we have speed pulls, 12 sets of 2. Again, here we have 275 pounds on the bar, and then we have 108 pounds of chain. Once again, 30 to 45 seconds rest, making sure the work done here is very dense, but we still want to go as fast as possible. I'm using a double overhand grip here, and I will say when you have double overhand grip and you're using bands or chains, the extra weight at the top comes out of nowhere. So it's a very good way to strengthen your grip as well. Then we have safety squat bar good mornings. I have 195 pounds on the bar, did 2 sets of 12. Probably could have done more, but I'm gonna do some more reps or more weight. We'll see next week. I think I've said this in a previous video, to do good morning, safety squat bar is easily my favorite bar. The cambered bar is a close second, but safety squat bar is definitely the best. It even works out the back of your neck. Then we have glute ham raises, 4 sets, max reps. All the sets were anywhere between 8 to 12 reps, and it was fairly short rest periods. I think it was about a minute between each. And like I said, I'm putting the mats underneath to give a different angle, and it totally makes the exercise feel just completely different. I would try these, maybe alternate these between Nordics and glute ham raises. You could do them simultaneously, one on one day, one on the other. It's really up to you. Can't go wrong with either one. A lot of people think Nordics are just automatically better than glute ham raises because they're harder in a certain sense, but they do have some drawbacks as well. Then I finished off with some belt squats. I played around with the angle of attaching the arm to my rack, and it made this feel completely different. As you can see, I'm not being pulled forward even a little bit, and I have a slightly narrow stance. Then I did some abs and some adductors. That's all. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and as always, class is dismissed.